Moving distally from the radiocarpal joint, we come to the carpometacarpal joints. These joints are synovial joints and allow for minimal gliding motions. The fifth carpometacarpal joint also allows for abduction and adduction. And the first carpometacarpal joint, that is of the thumb, is actually a saddle joint, as you can sort of see its shape there. This joint allows for both flexion and extension, but also abduction, adduction, opposition, and then reposition of the thumb, which of course is critical for everything we do with our hands and sets us apart from lower class marsupials. Each of these joints is supported by a dorsal and palmar, or anterior and posterior, carpometacarpal ligaments. Moving distally, the next articulation we come to is the metacarpophalangeal joints. Of course, these being the joints again between the metacarpal heads and the proximal phalanges of digits 1 through 5. These are condyloid joints, which allow for flexion, extension, abduction, and adduction of the fingers. And they're stabilized by radial collateral and ulnar collateral ligaments, which are hidden underneath these dorsal hoods. There we are. Now you can see the various ligaments highlighted here, radial and ulnar, at the metacarpal phalangeal joint. These ligaments are going to be tighter in finger flexion and looser with finger extension. Additionally, on the palmar aspect of these joints, if we move over here, sorry for the delay. Blended in here with the other ligaments and the capsules of these joints is a volar or palmar plate, which is also going to serve to stabilize the joints. Continuing distally in between or across and stabilizing each interphalangeal joint, we also have collateral ligaments, both radial and ulnar collateral ligaments, in addition to the volar or palmar plates as previously described. These joints are typically hinge type synovial joints, which are allowing for flexion and extension at those specific articulations.